Nostratic is a hypothetical language family associated by Danish linguist Holger Pedersen with the Aryan or Indo-European languages and the hypothetical ancestor of the Nostratic language family or Proto-Nostratic. Although American linguist Merritt Rohlan is critical of this theory, considering it a form of ethnocentrism, or British scholar Martin Gardner Bernal finds the term unpleasant because it excludes speakers of other language families from academic discussions. The Proto-Nostratic language was spoken between 50,000 and 12,000 years ago, during the Epipaleolithic period, close to the last glacial period in the Fertile Crescent, a stage that directly preceded the Neolithic period and is considered a bridge into the present era. Looking at the cultural assemblages of this period, two archaeological continua emerge among Nostratian scholars, both of which link the Proto-Nostratic to the Fertile Crescent at the end of last Ice Age. The first theory focuses on the Zarzian culture, 12,400 to 8,500 BCE, of the Zagros mountain range, which extends north to Kohistan in the Caucasus and east to Iran. In Western Iran, the Melphacian culture, 10,500 to 9,000 BCE, is considered the ancestor of the Al-Tappa culture, 9,000 to 5,000 BCE, and the Jeuton culture, 6,000 to 4,000 BCE. Still further east, the Hisar culture, 5,500 to 3,500 BC, can be seen as the Mesolithic precursors of the Kel-Teminar culture, 5,500 to 3,500 BC, of Kyrgyz steppe. The second theory focuses on the Levant, the Kebaran culture, 20,000 to 70,000 years ago, shows microlith assemblages and African continuity with carving techniques associated with the Halfan culture, 18,000 to 12,500 BC, which later gave way to the Natufian culture, 10,500 to 8,500 years ago, of Egypt.